This is the normal text. Like with the small size, we have to increase its size, or we have to make it bold. So if we use the heading 4, it will make it bold also, and make its size increase. So I'm giving here heading 4. Same way here also, and in the email also. I'm saving it and let's see the changes. So it's looking good actually. Text size is increased and now text is looking better. Now we'll be adding icons here. FA large FA, and now we have to find an icon for address or for navigation. So we have icons here. We will search this here. Control F for address, or we haven't any icon with address. We can use map, this map marker or map marker alt. I'm using map marker here. I'll be giving name here. So let's see the changes here. Now we will be adding another icon for this phone. FA large. It's a simple, so we can use FA phone here. Then this class will be for email. FA large icon, and then FA for email. Like you can search email. Hope you will find it. We can use invalid. It's same like email. I'm pasting it here, and let's see the changes here. This and refresh it. So you can see the changes here. We have added icon here. It's looking good. Now I also want to add icon here in the send message, and also I will be changing the background color. The black is not looking good here, so I will be removing black from here. In the button, background color will be assigned to this send message. Now I will be adding icon here. So for icon, adding class FA large FA, and then this send message icon name here. I'm going here, searching for send message. Something like paper aeroplane. Yeah, this is paper plane. This is normally used for sending. I'm saving it here. Let's see the changes here. So it's looking good here now. Even though it's changing its color black, then it's also looking good. And one thing more, I will be showing you that it is not show now, it's a shop now. So it's by mistake. You can change it now. Just make it shop now and save it. So we have converted this show now to shop now. It's good to go with this, all this. Our website is like looking some awesome. Our website is looking good here. I need to add some icons here in the footer for the references purpose. Like you see in the normal website, there are Facebook page link, Instagram page, and other links of the pages. So we will be adding icons here for navigating to Facebook, to any page or any other thing. I will be adding a button here for going to the top. If you click on this, we will be going to the top of the website. So for this, first of all, we have to go to the footer section. We have to add button or anchor tag here, which will divert us to the top of the website. So for now, I'm using anchor tag here, and I'm not giving any reference here because we will be covering this thing in the upcoming lecture. Now I have to add an icon here. So for icon, I will be using class FA large, FA, then the icon name. So for going to the top, we will be using icon. Is there any icon with top arrow? We can search arrow right, arrow up. We can use arrow up here. To the top, this will be the text, and let's see the changes here. So you see here to the top, but I want this to be like in a button style, so I will be using class here, which is called button, which we have used for the previous buttons also. I want to look like this text like a button. I want to see this text to look like a button, so I will be using class button here, the button class which we have covered, which we have added in the previous two. So you see this button class, we have used this button class in this send message and also in this shop now. I will be using the same class here. One thing I want to add is that I want to decrease the padding. It's not looking good here, so I will be adding 60 pixel padding from each side. Refresh it. Yeah, it's looking good here. And one more thing, like this text size is almost equal to this main title size, so I'll be decreasing its size and making it x3 size so that it looks beautiful. We will be changing the website, little bit of changes for the beauty of the website. It's looking good here. Now after this, I will be adding icons here, like the social media icons or other links icon through which they will be connected. Going to the footer section, I will be adding a div here. First of all, I will be adding a gap between these, a space between this text and this button type text. So I will be adding a class here. Before adding a class, we have to add a class here, a style here, dot. We will be adding a style here with section and giving it margin from top and bottom. Margin top 16 pixels and margin bottom same 16 pixels. Saving it, giving it this class section. Inside this div I will be adding icons. So for icon I will be adding a class FA for font awesome FA, then icon size large icon, then FA icon name. So I'm using Facebook here, typing Facebook name. I'm saving it. Let's see here. After refreshing, you can see a Facebook logo here or icon here. Now I will be adding other icons, social media icons, same like the above. Adding a class FA large FA. I will be adding now Snapchat, and let's see the changes here. I'm copying this and pasting it here. Snapchat, now Instagram, Pinterest, P, LinkedIn, and then Twitter. I'm saving all these, and then Twitter. I'm saving all these. Let's see the changes here. So you can see here we have all icons here. We can add, like, if we click on the Facebook, it will divert to the my Facebook page or my Facebook profile. Same on Snapchat, on Instagram, on Pinterest, LinkedIn, and the Twitter. So it's up to you, either you want to add links here or not. It's good to add links here. So now our website is looking much pretty than the previous one. In the next lecture we will be adding links to these, like these icons or these tabs and other these buttons also. We will be adding links. For example, if I'm clicking on this home, it will divert to the home section. If I'm clicking on this register, it will divert me toward the register.html, means the register file. So these icons are looking good, but I want to increase their size. While increasing their size, I will be adding a class here, large size. I'm saving it. Now I have to create that same large size class here inside .css5 and giving this font size 20 pixels. Like their font size is less, so if I'm refreshing this, you can see the changes here. Now this footer is looking good. In the upcoming lecture, I will be teaching you how to add references or how to navigate from one page to another page or from one section to another section within the same page. In the upcoming lecture, I will be teaching you how to navigate from one page to another page or from one section to another section within the same page. So we have covered how to add links and the icons. In the upcoming lecture, we will be covering how to add links and the fav icons.